How to delete Twitter account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Twitter account. That's quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. All you have to do is open up Twitter app and you'll get an interface like this once you're logged into your account. Now log into the account that you want to delete and tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now once here, what you want to do is scroll down and you'll find the option settings and support, and under settings and support you'll find the option settings and privacy. Simply open it up, and here what you want to do is head into the first option, your account, and under your account you can see the option, the fourth option, deactivate account. You can find other options here as well: account information, change your password, download and archive of your data. Simply head into deactivate account option here. Now you can see this will deactivate your account. Now if you're wondering that you want to delete your account, not deactivate it, then the trick here is that if you read here, you can see that you can restore your Twitter account if it was accidentally or wrongfully deactivated for up to 30 days after deactivation. So if you want to delete your account, what you need to do is you need to simply deactivate your account and not log in back until 30 days. And if you don't get back to your account, or if you don't log in back to your account within 30 days of deactivation, your account will be permanently deleted and there will be no any way to log in back. It will be deleted permanently. So however, if you want to deactivate the account and you want to get back to your account later on, what you'll have to do is once you deactivate your account, you will have to log in back to your account within 30 days. To log in back, all you have to do is head into the login page on the app or browser or anywhere, and then simply type in your email and password and you'll be logged in back. Or if you want to delete, you can simply deactivate and let it up like that, leave it for 30 days and your account will be deleted. So this way you can delete your Twitter account. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.